Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with NEAR, followed by Uni, Leo, Pepe, Aptos, ICP, POL, VET, and then we'll end it with Chronos at number 30. Let's get straight into it. NEAR against BTC. So here we are for NEAR. I'm not too sure whether if NEAR is going to be seeing a Z-pop eventually, because this is actually a falling channel. And a falling channel results in a breakout towards the upside. I would actually prefer it if this falling channel was above the skinny pink line, right? But we are kind of under it, so I'm like, there's also that possibility we could continue lower. So I'm not too sure about NEAR against BTC. NEAR against USD is also... we came under the skinny pink line. We zipped back up, yes. So we're not too sure. Could this result in a new all-time high? Or will we find resistance here and then we come back down before going back higher, right? I'm not saying that we can't take out these highs. I'm just not too sure whether if we are going to go past $20, right? Right now at $7. So potentially we're going to, okay, let me see. There's a noisy area over here. So around $14, plus minus 14. So that's about, yeah, almost 100% from where we are. So that's my take for NEAR. Uniswap, Uni against BTC. Here we are for Uniswap. Uniswap's in a falling channel. Ooh, I think Uniswap is just waiting for the big break. So that's Uniswap for you. The thing about Uniswap is it's already at almost 10 billion market cap. 10 billion. I mean, to expect Uniswap to do a 10x, right? You will have to go to 100B. So it's not impossible. It's just that I suspect that along the way for Uniswap's rally, right, if and when it really starts turning bullish, there will be resistance here and here. Big resistances, of course. There's going to be the first one here. So up here, resistance. Up here, resistance. Up here, resistance. You see that? So yeah, but we're still largely under the skinny pink line. Right. Yeah, we're above it, but will we consolidate and continue higher? Or will this consolidation result in more downside? Because previously, we went above the skinny pink line, but we came back down. Bearish trend continues. Up, down, bearish trend continues. It continues. Could this time be different? Not too sure. But not too sure. Uni against USD. Here we are for Uniswap. It's above the skinny pink line. But yeah, again, we'll probably go to around 25. We might go here though, but again, these are the two very noisy areas. So resistances here and also here, right? But in terms of a chart pattern, it's just not really that high quality. So yeah, we're gonna move on from Uniswap. Leo against BTC. So Leo is kind of going sideways, but we like what we see for Leo against the BTC pair. So there could be something coming on for Leo BTC though, right? We want to see high quality bullish accumulation chart patterns against BTC, not just against USD, but against BTC as well. That would be the best case scenario. We actually have a target over here at 5095, and we will consider this target to be invalidated once we take out these highs. Looks like we're going to be invalidating it. So this is a 0.618 type of a retracement. Go back up. Yeah, again, we're still largely under the skinny pink line. Until we really truly break higher and continue, then yeah, we're going to remain with our bearish bias for Leo against USD. Okay, Leo has formed new all-time highs. A lot of coins have formed new all-time highs. So it's just following the path of BTC. As BTC rises, Leo rises as well. Right? It's not going faster than BTC. Because if it did, it would be apparent on the Leo BTC pair. But it's just not. So yeah, no, it's just nothing much at the moment for Leo. Pepe against USD. Here we are for Pepe. I suspect that Pepe is already on its fourth wave. Completing this would bring it to the fifth wave. Right. So if this whole thing is a 1, this is a 2, right? 3, 4, 5. One more wave up towards again, we're not too sure, probably 3,000. Right now we're at 2,000. So as it stands, yeah, we're waiting for this chart pattern to complete. Falling channel. Is it going to be a squeeze? Maybe? Again, we're not too sure. We need to give the Pepe wheels more time to do their thing. Aptos against BTC. Here we are for Aptos. Aptos is, oh, look at this. All right. A, B, C, D. E, pump, blast off. So we're expecting Aptos to head towards, again, noisy area over here, right? So the top here will be around 2000. Right now we're at 1005. So just a little bit more towards the upside, 60%. But again, we're still under the skinny pink line. If and when the break comes, hopefully it is a very volatile one, and then we stay above it, continue higher, right? Maybe get something like an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Big breakout. That'll be awesome. Aptos against USD. Here we are for Aptos against USD. Yeah, we could see it reflected on the USD pair as well. Very big left shoulder. We go back up for head. We get a right shoulder. That's it. We go bananas. $100. What? Okay, let's come back down to earth. So as it stands, we're still not sure. Right, we're still not really. We would have preferred it if Aptos was squeezing. If this was a higher low, but it's actually a lower low, right? But anyway, doesn't change anything. We're still anticipating potential right shoulder. Oh, this would be perfect. So as it stands, yeah, we're gonna have to wait for more information first before doing anything for Aptos. ICP against BTC. Here we are for internet computer. ICP is here. Oh, look at this. Left shoulder, head. We have to come back down. This would be perfect for an inverse head and shoulders as we go higher, right? Again, we're still under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still bearish, right? We might just do a little sweep of everything first. It's like, okay, we would prefer it if we form a right shoulder first. Oh, this would be perfect. But as it stands, yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. Against USD, ICP is above the skinny pink line, yes, just like BTC is. Again, there was a potential bearish continuation over here. We rose higher instead of lower. We went under the skinny pink line. We were like, yes, no? Yeah, so we had targets for it. So the moment we check out this size, we will consider these targets to be invalidated. So as it stands, yeah, of course, ICP could be going all the way to this noisy area over here at around 50. Right now at 14. So as it stands, yeah, again, we're not too sure though. In terms of tradability, it's just not really that good. Matic against USD. If you look at Matic, we are coming back up above the skinny pink line. But I don't know if this is convincing enough. But yeah, the chart pattern is just very out of the... it's like, what's this, bro? Yeah, no, we're gonna have to move on from Matic. VeChain just came up to life. Again, there will be the China narrative. VeChain against BTC is, again, the hope is that we get an inverse head and shoulders. That's it. You go bananas, right? This whole thing, you can also consider it as a wave 1. Coming down for a wave 2. Up for a 3. Down 4. Up. Wave 5. Which means that VeChain may still have a long way to go. Against USD, VeChain is above the skinny pink line. Right, super overbought. Any clear signs of a stopping? Yeah, I don't think we're stopping anytime. Again, if we had to count the waves, right, for VeChain, this whole thing is a wave 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1. Right, down for a wave 2. This is probably beyond 618. Yeah, we dropped to beyond 702 even. So, yeah, anyway, this is a wave 3. Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So wave 1, wave 2, we're in the midst of a wave 3, right? Probably my guess is we'll take out these highs, right? So I think wave 3 could be about to end. We get a wave 4, and then we get a wave 5. Wave 5 might just take out these highs. So yeah, again, if we were to go long for VeChain, we'll still have to wait for the consolidation first. Kronos, CRO against BTC. Here we are for Kronos. Kronos is above the skinny pink line, which is great. Convincingly above it. Again, we just have to consolidate above it to continue higher. Again, the hope is an inverse head and shoulders. Right, there will be clear resistance zones, I will call them. Yeah, one here, and another one here. It's quite obvious. Boing, boing, boing. Yeah, so as it stands, yeah, there is potential though, but from a trading standpoint, it's just not that clear yet. We could still come back down under the skinny pink line, and this whole thing could still become a B, C, D, E before the big breakout. Absolutely possible. So yeah, I would preach caution. CRO against USD. Here we are for CRO. We're above the skinny pink line. Again, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1. Down. Wave 2. So 1, 2, we're in the midst of a wave 3. 4, 5. Again, noisy area over here. So probably around 40 cents, I would say. Around 40 cents. Yeah, 38, 39 cents. Right now we're at 20 cents. So potentially another 100% more for CRO. And we are kind of consolidating bullishly though. Anyway, this is a symmetrical triangle. We are kind of morphing into an ascending triangle. You see this? Huh. But we'll see though. The whales might just zip down, clear all these clusters of cells, then before heading higher, right? But I think more likely than not, we just continue higher. So yeah, CRO seems to be doing well. So if I had to take a guess, right, around 38, 39 cents, right? Yeah, we might clear these highs though. But big chunk should be out by 37, 38. Yeah, big chunk should be out by then. So yeah, there you go. That's our take for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.